Hello everybody, welcome back to another day. Keelan McConnell. So, what are we going to do today, I wonder? What are we going to do? I don't know what I'm going to do today. Make sure once you finish this video, make sure you go back and watch my video, the car with weird noises that I did last night. Yeah, but I also did like 3 last night, but yeah, I was really scared. So basically what I did was turn on my bedroom light, I closed my blinds and my curtains, and I felt a lot better after that. It's really bright. Right, let's go for the hill and get a little bit of shade. So, yeah, let's go. So, basically, guys, it's hard to steer my bike while holding the camera. It's across the road with us. Sorry, my camera is going to bite the place. It's really dark in the shade, and then it's like really. So I'm not walking, I'm riding my bike. Yeah. So basically I can't look at the camera when so basically last night it was like really scary. You probably don't know what car it was. It's sitting over there, so I'll show you. Oh, sorry, I was getting away from that bee that was chasing after me. Yeah. So like, oh no, I'm on the grass. So I'll show you what car it's. Obviously, I can tell because it's silver. Like, guys, I'm on my bike. So, like, my biggest views. I'm only still new to YouTube, so that means I've only got 8 views. Well, that's my highest. So this silver car that you can see right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, that is the car. Always the same one, like literally always. So I'm not sure if we should go next. Basically, last night was a really freaky night. Well, make sure you leave down in the comments if a car is ever sitting near your house and like weird stuff coming from it. Make sure you tell me in the comments. If I find a way to get rid of that, make sure you do that. Don't be nervous if it's anything nerve-wracking you need to do. Oh, there's my flick. And this one's my keys. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and leave a like. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!